approach with our STEM as a specialist subject is that it's always hands-on. It's always looking at big problems and how they can come up with solutions for those problems. It includes a lot of elements of design, collaboration, thinking outside of the square, and looking at learning in a different way. And I think they love the fact that in STEM, every time you make a mistake, that is an opportunity to learn, and that's not something to be negative about, it's something to actually focus on. It's a really positive thing to try to find fixes for the mistakes you've made. And they really like that they're able to build something that they can then share and be proud of. Having a sustainable approach within STEM is really logical to us, and it sets our kids up to be able to have great success in the future and to be able to make a real impact on our world.
Students are able to use 3D modelling software to design solutions for problems or particular designs to meet a challenge. And then they have the opportunity to have those 3D printed as well and improve on their designs. The students have responded really positively to the STEM program this year. They like the fact that it's hands-on all the time. They're doing stuff all the time.
My favourite thing to learn is STEM.
There's support materials and failed prints and things like that. We want to be able to recycle that material back into the program. Plus, collecting community plastics, for example, bottle tops and bottles and things like that. We can shred them and then extrude them into moulds, and we can use the 3D printers to create moulds of whatever products we want. Thankfully, this grant is enabling us to start the journey